have made this for the travelers, outdoor users, and the users in the challenging environments like Dalhousie, India, where resources such as electricity, light, and warmth are often scarce. Firstly, my partner will explain the steps involved in building this multifunctional solar-powered backpack.
So now I'm going to brief you about the steps involved in building this multifunctional solar powered backpack. So firstly, we have designed an outlet showing where each part would go: the solar panel, battery, LED lights, and the jacket compartment. We've also included a jacket there.
At the back of the back. This is a prototype, so we have just made the zip here.
Okay. It's a prototype actually. Then we have mounted the flexible solar panels on the outer surface of the backpack, in which two of them can be extended upwards as per the needed and can change their directions. This is a prototype actually. And we connected these solar panels to a charge controller and a lithium-ion battery to store energy. Then we have included a very special thing, which is the jacket, which we have told you. Then once everything was connected, we waterproofed all the wirings and tested the backpack, its charging and lighting functions, making sure it would work efficiently and safely. Like, now he will explain the...
Basically, each solar panel consists of
5 watts.
Total 20 watt is the output. This is a flexible solar panel.
Lightweighted.
Lightweight purpose. And sir, the upper vent can be elevated to increase the battery charge up.
It will produce more energy, na? 4 solar panels are there.
And in 3 hours, 10,000 mAh storage unit can be charged. And the upper one can be inclined and adjustable because the sun varies from the timing in day to day. So this can be inclined. We have installed this feature because when the sun rays are perpendicular to the solar panel at a 90-degree angle, these solar radiations are absorbed more efficiently, enhancing the photovoltaic effect and thus increasing the electrical output.
And we have included USB ports also. There are 2 USB ports which will work simultaneously. This one is a charge controller and this one is a USB port. You can charge your phone, laptop, anything directly. And first this will charge. They both work simultaneously.
And the main purpose of there are 2 main purposes of the jacket. Firstly, for the warm purpose, and secondly, that when worn above the back straps, it will increase the surface area and distribute the weight, and thus pressure will be less on the person carrying the bag. We have also maintained the weight distribution system to equalize the weight.
Good.